What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA carbon splitter on this beautiful Lexus RCF. Stay tuned. So a little bit about the new NIA carbon sides is it's made out of 100% carbon fiber right here in South Florida. 2, it comes with all the pre-drilled holes for a quick installation. And lastly, the NIA sides are designed with the RCF body lines in mind. With the purchase of the NIA sides, you're going to receive some retainer clips and some screws. For this installation, we recommend a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a clip remover, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. And we definitely recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. All right, so first things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, get rid of any rock debris or anything that you might have underneath. Just get a clean rag, let's get started. So if your car is lowered and you want to jack it up, always think safety first and use jack stands. In this case, we're going to use an angle driver and we're just going to creep up right underneath. So now that everything's clean, get your clip remover and we're going to locate one clip that's in here in the front and then 2 that's holding your factory splash guard in the back. Now that you took out these 2 clips, you're going to locate a Phillips screw in between the wheel well. This is when you get your Phillips screwdriver, and we're just going to take it off. Now that you remove the factory splash guard, what you're going to do is just reinstall this screw back on. So this is when you turn this into a family event. Get a friend or family member, use the same clips that you just removed to hold the splitter up through the pre-drilled holes that we have right here for you. Now that you installed the 2 back factory clips, this is when you're going to use the retainer clip we provided to you to hold the front up. Now that these side skirts are aligned, what you're going to do is use the screws that we provided to you through the pre-drilled holes and just self-tap into the side skirt. Keep in mind, only drill it halfway. That way you avoid over-tightening and stripping the side skirts. Let's get started. Now that the screws are in halfway, this is when you get the Phillips screwdriver. You're going to hand tighten every single one of them. That way you avoid over-tightening and stripping these side skirts. All right, once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RCF. If you have any questions, comment below. We always get back to everybody. Thanks again, guys.